How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be upgrading the keycaps on my Corsair K70 RGB rapid fire keyboard. I'm going to be using the HyperX pudding keycaps in white. I'm going for a mostly white build, as you can see behind me here, with some black accents. So let's get to the time lapse. Well, guys, as you can see, there's a bit of a compatibility issue here. These keys here, the Alt key and the space bar, and then the function and Windows keys were all just too tight for the HyperX keycaps. So I'm using the original K70 keycaps for now. I really like the look of this white. So I'm going to see if I can't find something in the correct size here that matches, because I would like the whole thing in white. If not, then maybe I'll just come up with some fun pattern or something using the white and the black. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed my first ever awkward video on YouTube. Hopefully I'll see you again.